Let's learn how you can change keyword match types in your Google search ads. Let's get started. So I have one campaign which is running. I go to that campaign, find your ad group where you will see your keywords, click on ad group. Here you see all the keywords. I can also change individually when you go to match type. You can switch the match type. By default, this is broad right now and I would want to change them. If you want to change them all, you can select all, or if you want to change individually, you can even change it from here. In this case, I want to change all of them to phrase match. Select the entire list, click on edit. Here you'll see change match types and click on change all match types. Right now it's all are in broad match and I want to switch them to phrase match. And if you want that these keywords to be in broad match as well as phrase match, you need to check on this box which says that you keep those original keywords with the broad match, plus you create duplicate with phrase match. So right now I don't want the same keyword to be in different match types. So I just am changing all of them to phrase match and click on apply. Let this load. We are changing the entire list of keywords and you can change them individually as well. Both the options are available. Now if you see, all the keywords are updated to phrase match.